If you've ever been in a rush and snagged your headphone cord. If you've ever been listening and needed to recharge your new iPhone. We present to you AirLink by Neorb Lab.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up, girl?
My glasses, I'm out the
My name is Scott Bungie, and I'm the inventor of the Goatee Saver. I wanted to do a demonstration video for you today to show you how guys around the world are using the product to make their goatee or Van Dyke look even better. I wanted to first take and show you how to adjust the Goatee Saver to make it fit your size and your style of goatee. As you can see, on the front of the Goatee Saver, there are 3 different adjustments that you can take and make. There is an adjustment that you can make for the top part, closer to the top part of your face, and then there's a middle adjustment that you can make, which will be closer to your mouth, or the bottom. This will allow you to be able to get the size and style of goatee that you would like to have. Before I actually shave with the Goatee Saver, I also wanted to show you that there's an adjustment on the back for the mouthpiece. I will tell you that most people will need to use the mouthpiece in the default position. But you can take and twist and move the mouthpiece up higher if you wanted to adjust it on a different part of your face. Before you take and shave with the Goatee Saver, it's important to use a trimmer to get your goatee or Van Dyke to the length that you want to have it before shaving with the Goatee Saver. On the top of the Goatee Saver, there is a place that will allow you to line the product up with the center of your nose. That way you know that the Goatee Saver is straight on your face. Once you have the Goatee Saver placed on your face and you begin to shave, it is very important not to move the Goatee Saver until you're finished shaving. After I get through shaving with the Goatee Saver, I'll remove it and then take the straight edge of the razor and use it to shave right underneath my nose. When you shave with the Goatee Saver, one of the things that you'll notice is there is still about 1/8 of an inch of hair that will stick out beyond the Goatee Saver. If you look at the bottom of the razor, you can see that the reason this is the case is because how the razor was designed. There's about 1/8 of an inch between the edge of the razor and the razor. As you can see, it's very simple to shave with the Goatee Saver. As with anything new, it may take a few times of trying before you get it down just perfect. Thanks for watching the Goatee Saver and learning more about it.
This is the Urban X Smart Electric Wheel, and it is the only difference between your existing bike and a fully functional electric bike. By simply replacing the front wheel of the bike you already own, it will turn into an electric bike and take your cycling to the next level. It flattens out the hills and beats down any headwinds. It shortens the distance by making it faster and getting to your destination without breaking a sweat. Urban X electric wheel fits any size and type of bike, either V-brake or disc brake, so you can enjoy the benefits of an electric bike while keeping the bike you already have. It comes in either throttle version or pedal assist version. The choice is yours. All the components, including motor, battery, and other electronics, are well contained within the wheel. Just a few steps of quick installation and a new electric bike is ready to ride. We've engineered an app that lets you choose whether or not to use its features like distance and speed tracking, battery life readouts, and ride mapping. If those aren't for you, then enjoy the wheel free from any device. The innovative detachable battery makes it possible to extend your range instantly, while the built-in USB outlet can keep your phone or other devices always charged. Want to start biking to work? Urban X helps you arrive fresh without breaking a sweat. Want to ride but facing health conditions or aging issues? Urban X eliminates all these obstacles to help you run your daily errands. Want to spend more time outdoors? You can now ride without worrying about upslopes or long distances. With speed of up to 20 miles per hour and the ability to travel up to 30 miles with one single battery, your venture can take you further. Urban X is all about fun, recreation, freedom, and accessibility. Our dream is to kickstart the bike revolution and make cycling popular again. You can be part of it. Together, let's make it happen.
If you're like us, you love your new MacBook, but miss that MagSafe connector. Sure, there's a couple USB-C magnetic adapters out there, but those are designed for charging only. Why limit this powerful port to just charging? Introducing Magneo, the world's only magnetic connector capable of super speed data, 4K video, and up to 100 watts charging. And it's not just for the MacBook. Magneo works with all USB-C devices, including phones, tablets, and notebooks. Just like the Apple Watch, it's machined from a solid block of aluminum, using ultra high quality components designed for the wear and tear of daily life. We designed and engineered Magneo right here in Silicon Valley and delivered our previous Kickstarter to 30 countries worldwide. Order yours today and expect it in February.
What if you could connect to any device with a single cable? Are you ready for 10 times more speed and a 2 times more powerful cable? Introducing Magneto, crafted with the highest quality materials, including rare earth neodymium magnets, 18 karat gold plated connectors, shielded with aerospace aluminum, combining the latest advanced circuitry technology for smarter and safer charging on both ends. The world's first groundbreaking, patent-pending, reversible cross-device USB 3.0 magnetic cable, featuring 10 times faster data transfer speed and a 2 times more powerful cable compared to a traditional USB 2.0 cable. By harnessing the force of nature, you can effortlessly insert the magnetic tip to both ends of the device, and the Magneto cable immediately magnetizes and snaps to the devices. The breakthrough concept of the both-end magnetic connector cable successfully opens the door to multi-device connectivity for super speed charging and data sync, meaning you can cross-connect almost any device between USB, Lightning, Android, Type-C mini USB, and beyond. Magneto was born out of the creator's frustration with our daily lives, caused by all the different types of devices. We first created a prototype by putting some existing product components together, and we spent months with countless hours to complete the design. We knew this was going to be a great product that we got to share with the world. To reinvent a new standard of USB cables, we have accomplished the most sophisticated tests, combined with the highest quality materials, to design a state-of-the-art USB cable. Our team has chosen the largest manufacturer that's made over 100 million electronic devices for many of the top brands to build this awesome design, and we're ready to go. We need your support for our campaign to help us bring this supercharging cable to the market. Be part of us. As contributors, you are welcome to write us with a new suggestion or new ideas for further improvement of Magneto within the period of the campaign. Magneto is the world's most powerful magnetic USB cable for everything.